can you thumbnail for us, like Syncari's, how you're enabling, tightening, automating the workflow aspect of AI?
It's part of what we do. It's a combined semantic data layer with an
Hmm.
orchestration layer and a control plane layer, all in one platform. And
Hmm.
the fact that we put those things together, people always look at it and go like, "Oh wow, this does transformations. Oh, reverse ETL. It does this, that, and the other
Hmm.
thing." Carol brought up the fact that we have data sets that you can curate off of this clean data, but the data hygiene pieces of what you can do in Syncari on batch or in pipelines is what we end up letting you build. So we build a clean canonical data set that exists in your head end, and that head end is Syncari.
Hmm.
And the thing that we're different about is that we make sure that those same answers end up in your operational systems as much as possible. Well, completely in your operational system. So now all your operational systems, whether they happen to be
Hmm.
things that are using NAN or other agents or co-pilots, etc., all get the same shared context for the business that you're in. And the goal we're trying to go after is not to just have data curated and one off in the corner and my agents and this LLM over here runs okay because businesses don't run that way. They run off of like this corpus of data needs to exist and work for my whole business nowadays in order for AI to work
Hmm.
across the business. And we keep losing that aspect of understanding that. And we go back to these point solutions, point things that we're doing in order to try and solve this AI problem. I mean, right now with this AI project, as opposed to stepping away and saying, like, look, I just need clean canonical data that's trusted. I know where the sources came from, and it represents what's in the operational systems as well as what my agents are using in their processing. This is the thing that is going to change a lot because when you start injecting the structured data as well as the unstructured chunked data that you may be using for RAG inside of your LLMs,
Yeah.
those are gonna work in tandem. They're not going to be like, oh, I'm going to process this and then process that. So it's going to be chunked, unstructured data, your structured data coming together from these places and being able, to govern
Hmm.
both sides of that, which is what we help you do as well through our one single MCP connection that'll get you access to all of that.